Hello friends, I am Dr. Taneja and today we will discuss the solution of differential equations with the help of inspection. In such type of equations, we try to rearrange the terms in such form whose differentiation we know. As we know, the differentiation of y upon x is equals to x into dy minus y into dx upon x square. So, if we are given the terms, so we try to rearrange the term in such forms, or we know the differentiation of x upon y is equals to y into dx minus x into dy upon y square. Similarly, differentiation of log x upon y is equals to y into dx minus x into dy upon xy. Similarly, differentiation of xy is equals to x into dy plus y into dx. Similarly, we know many other differentiations also. Now, let's try some examples. Our first example is here we see that it is m and it is n. So, we find del m over del y is equals to 2y into e to the power x plus 2x and del n over del x is equals to minus 2x. So, it is not exact. So, now we divide the whole equation by y square. We get e to the power x plus 2xy upon y square minus x square upon y square into dy. We can rearrange it as e to the power x plus dx plus 2xy into dx minus x square into dy upon y square. Here we see that it is the differentiation of x square upon y. As we get y into 2x, when we differentiate it, we get y into 2x dx minus x square into dy upon y square. So, now integrating this, we get the answer as e to the power x plus x square upon y is equals to c. So, it is our required answer. Similarly, if we write it as then we have this is m and it is n, and when we find del m over del y, we get del m over del y is equals to del n over del x. So, it becomes exact and we can also solve with the help of solution of exact differential equation. Now, our second question is now dividing this equation by x square, we get x dy minus y dx upon x square plus 2x into dx is equals to 0. We have divided the whole equation by x square. Here we see that it is differentiation of y upon x. So, we can write it as, and integrating this we get y upon x plus 2x square upon 2 is equals to c. Cancelling this 2 by 2, we get the required answer. Now, our next question is now, after rearranging it, we can write it at e to the power y into dx plus x into e to the power y into dy plus 2y into dy is equals to 0. Here we see that it is differentiation of x e to the power y plus 2y into dy is equals to 0. So, integrating it, we get x e to the power y plus 2 y square upon 2 is equals to c. Cancelling this 2 by 2, we get the required answer. So, in this way we can solve the we can solve the differential equations with the help of inspection. Thank you.